Hi, this is Trudy from Howard Tax Prep, and today I would like to cover what you should and should not do if you still have not received your W-2 or your 1099. While most employers will meet the January 31st deadline, there are some employers and old contractors that will unfortunately not meet this deadline. The IRS recognizes that these things may happen, so they ask that you give that old employer or contractor until the end of February before reaching out to the IRS. If at the end of February you find that you still have not received your W-2 or your 1099, you can contact the IRS at 1-800-829-1040 and make them aware of the situation. The IRS then, on your behalf, will reach out to your old employer to inform them that you still have not received your 1099 or W-2. If after reaching out to the employer, your employer still does not respond with your W-2 or your 1099, the IRS does allow you to use Form 4852, and your tax preparer should be very familiar with this form, in combination with your last paycheck stub. Again, you do not want to use your last paycheck stub until you have notified the IRS, you have given the old employer sufficient time, and you have filled out a Form 4852. If you have not done those three things, please do not use your old paycheck stub. I've also heard people say, oh, well, I'll just go ahead and I'll file my taxes now with what I have. And once I get that other W-2 or 1099, I'll just amend my taxes. While this may sound good, this may not be a good idea, especially for those who receive the Earned Income Credit or any other refundable credits. That last W-2 that you're waiting on may actually put you into a different tax bracket where you may not qualify for those refundable credits. And if you have to amend your taxes, that's going to be a lot of money to pay back, and that's going to bring unnecessary scrutiny to you and your tax return. You also do not want to call the HR department and curse them out. While it may make you feel good temporarily, it will not make your W-2s or 1099 come to you any faster. You also definitely do not want to go to your old employer, especially if you were discharged or laid off. You do not want to go there knocking on doors. I'm just going to go to the facility and I'm going to make them print my W-2 or 1099 right away. That could be a very bad idea. You could run into a criminal case, a trespassing charge. So it's best to just not even go to the old facility if you're no longer employed there. If you have any additional questions, you can reach out to me via telephone at 855-576-2378, or you can email me at thoward, that's T as in Tom, or T for Trudy, Howard at howardtaxprep.com. And you can also visit my website at www.howardtaxprep.com. We are also right now running specials for past due returns. A lot of people are entitled to some additional monies that they may not have collected because they simply did not file a tax return. If you have any questions about previous tax returns, what to do if you have a W-2, had a household filing status, earned income, etc., please again don't hesitate to reach out to me. Thank you for watching this video and enjoy the rest of your day.